Now, COVID-19 notification system on mobile phones, jointly created by Google and Apple, has caused a stir among Kenyans who are concerned about their privacy. According to Google, the move was prompted by a shared sense of responsibility to help governments and global community to fight the pandemic through contact tracing. Now, should Kenyans be concerned? Is the government tracking the virus or planning to spy on them? Kenyans Rahman Abdullahi with the details.
Many Kenyans are not aware of the newly developed inbuilt system, COVID-19 exposure notification by Google.
Bado sijaona hiyo notification because even kwa the advertisement I haven't seen it.
Those cognizant of the new development are concerned about the privacy and safety of their data.
Now, when you put your Bluetooth on, everyone knows where you are and you can be tracked.
The thought that there's someone watching my movement and tracking my movement it's very uncomfortable for me.
And others feel it is silver bullet that the government need to arrest COVID-19.
I'd rather not get sick, so if they can track me and track my contacts, the better.
So, do you know how the application works? COVID-19 exposure notification placed in setting under Google service is off by default until you switch it on. The feature uses Bluetooth signal and contact tracing technology from authorized public health applications to alert user of a possible exposure to a person tested positive for coronavirus.
And basically what it does, by my understanding, is if you are able to install a corona tracking app, these are apps that help you to know that somebody in the vicinity has a corona as well, then it would alert you.
The Kenyan government has not yet approved any app to support contact tracing, and therefore the feature is not yet in use, despite there being a number of innovations from the tech-savvy Kenyans.
What Google has done, they have not said we are tracking your data. They're saying we are giving the functionality, whatever app exists, wherever from.
Richard Ontolo, an expert, explains that when adopted, the app may compromise data and privacy of users should the government fail to fix existing Bluetooth loopholes.
So I'm sitting at a hotel, my Bluetooth is enabled, a bad guy sitting next to me somewhere is just scanning for all the phones that have Bluetooth enabled, and then they compromise it.
For instance, in Qatar, a mandatory contact tracing app was adopted by Ministry of Interior. Barely weeks later, breach of privacy and data loss cases were reported. LSK Chairman Nelson Harvey says the app will infringe on the privacy of Kenyans.
In the absence of any law and regulations to authorize the use of that application, then it will not only be unlawful, it will also be unconstitutional.
ICTCS Joe Msheru has affirmed that the government will safeguard data and privacy of Kenyans as enshrined in Constitution.
We're following the law in ensuring that the way we use data allows us to be able to ensure that we're providing first the privacy that people have asked for, and also ensuring that we have the security.
Contact tracing remains a major challenge to the Ministry of Health. The new system will be the respite to the ministry. But how will the state protect the personal data remains another impediment. Rahman Abdullahi, KTN News, Nairobi.